Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to the nursery class in California Public School Khukrana Moga, and I am your teacher Mrs. Kirandeep Kaur. Students, today we will learn the beginning sound. Beginning sound. Today we will learn F sound of beginning sound. Speak with me. F. Okay students, look here. Which picture is this? Speak. Flag. Which picture? Flag. What is the beginning sound of flag? F. F is the beginning sound of flag. F is the beginning sound of flag. Now see the picture. This is frog. Which picture is this? Frog. What is the beginning sound of frog? F. F is the beginning sound of frog. Which picture is this? This is fish. Speak with me. Fish. What is the beginning sound of fish? F. F is the beginning sound of fish. F is the beginning sound of fish. Flower. Which picture is this? Flower. Speak with me. Flower. What is the beginning sound of flower? F. F is the beginning sound of flower. F is the beginning sound of flower. Students, you know this picture. Can you tell me which picture is this? Yes, speak. Yes, this is fridge. Which picture is this? This is fridge. What is the beginning sound of fridge? F. F is the beginning sound of fridge. F is the beginning sound of fridge. Okay, students. See once again all the pictures. Let's speak with me. Fish, fridge, frog, flower, flag. What is the beginning sound of all these pictures? F. F is the beginning sound of all these pictures.